Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a sample video recorded on the Nokia 1.3. This is Nokia's new budget entry-level smartphone, which features the new Android Go camera, or Camera Go. This is said to improve high dynamic range, autofocus, and just the general speed of the camera when being used on relatively low-powered devices. So I'm walking around this park during my government-approved exercise today. As you can see, this is the Corstorphine Old Parish Church, which is lovely at this time of year with all the cherry trees in blossom. And as I walk around, you can see there's probably little or no stabilization, but it handles the switch in white balance and color saturation quite well when facing into the sun. But apart from that, it seems to handle the rest of things very, very well for a smartphone which costs £59 here in the UK. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We'll be covering the Nokia 1.3 and its features, including an in-depth look at its camera, in the coming days. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.